If you want to make an important event stand out in Google Calendar, you can highlight it in just a few seconds. This is a simple way to organize your schedule, separate personal and work events, and make sure nothing important gets missed. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to highlight an event in Google Calendar step by step. If this tutorial helps you, go ahead and hit the like button and make sure to subscribe for more easy tech tips just like this. Let's jump in. First, open Google Calendar in your browser or on your device. Once your calendar loads, look for the event that you want to highlight. This could be a meeting, appointment, deadline, reminder, or any other event you want to make more visible. Next, click on the event itself. This will open the event details panel where you can edit different settings for that specific item. In that menu, look for the color icon. This is the option that controls the event color and helps you visually organize your calendar. Click the color icon and you'll see a list of available color choices. Google Calendar gives you several options, so you can pick the one that best fits your schedule. For example, you might choose red for urgent events, blue for work, green for personal tasks, or any color that helps you stay organized. Once you choose a color, the event will immediately update and appear in that selected color. You do not need to save anything extra in most cases because the change is applied right away. That means your highlighted event will now stand out clearly on your calendar, making it much easier to notice at a glance. And that's all there is to it. You've just learned how to highlight an event in Google Calendar using colors to make your schedule easier to manage. This is one of the fastest ways to stay organized and keep track of important events without any complicated steps. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.